yourself on the target
Mhm.
and shoot over there, something of that kind.
So you basically channelize your pain into different
Activity.
activities. So
Activity.
technically, what I feel is it was the creators' way of telling you कि भाई खेलना शुरू कर बहुत हो गया.
Uh, yeah, and right now my wife, she's undergoing tremendous amount of pain in her knee.
Sorry. Uh-huh.
Both her knees, probably. I mean, we are just aging, and thankfully we are supported by our son. He's a final year orthopedic surgeon,
Mm-hmm.
so he's taking care of his mom.
Wow, super. He's blessed to have a son as an orthopedic surgeon. God bless you.
Thank you.
Great. So who would like to go next?
The pain is very common with everybody. Somebody or the
Right.
other must be suffering. Even I had 2 years ago a lot of pain in my both the legs, and
Mm-hmm.
ultimately, many things were required to be done. That is putting leg in a water for some time, hot water, hot water, that sort of exercise and all. But then I was also suggested to have particular type of sleepers in home also, so that but ultimately got that slippers made, specific slippers got made at near HN hospital. There is one shop called J Rose and Company. They made very good, but since the time I have been using that, I don't have
Mm-hmm.
a pain.
Mm-hmm.
So
So the
that
slippers
pain
made
has
a
gone.
great difference.
Huh?
Slippers made a great difference to the way you're walking.
Yeah, slipper in house. I was reluctant to use shoes, means I mean the slippers and all these things in house, but I'm forced to use it. I will have to now. But that
Mm-hmm.
has helped me a lot. There is no pain because of that. And knee
आजकल
joints pain
तो
was there. That is also under control, whatever it may be. I have been consuming, turmeric and all these things, morning water and all. That has helped, I think so. Last 1 year, I've been taking that.
Okay.
That
So,
has helped me.
Naresh ji, you can share the slipper video if you can find somewhere because that
You
probably is a
can get from. I will send that. I will find out and give the name of the correct shop and the address
Mhm.
also,
Sure,
so
sure,
that if
definitely.
anybody is having a problem of
Mm-hmm.
uh, in walking and all, I mean some very typical in the leg pain that has helped me, those type of slippers. A particular a sole is required of particular type that helps rather. I
Mm-hmm.
have made
those acupressure
uh,
sleeper,
uh, a place, yeah.
acupressure slip.
Acupressure slippers. Are these
Yeah.
These,
acupressure?
these are readily available in the market.
Acha.
One has to try it.
No. I purchased Bata's this thing sleeper,
Ah,
normal sleeper, and I gave them to do the needful in that. They have given me after a week's time putting
ah.
some this thing,
And ये 12-11 हो गई.
say this thing, sole and all. Additional sole was put by them.
Ah,
That has helped me.
ah.
Otherwise, I was told to have this water treatment plan. That is also is very good. Trying that, putting legs in a hot water, then cold water, cold water, twice or thrice, 5 minutes you will have to do.
Even Epsom salt. I think that should be a basic thing for all of us. Is
Mm.
soaking your foot in Epsom salt for next 10 to 15 minutes and hot water. That is something that is very helpful and it
Yes,
really,
salt water is also good. That is saying.
yeah, salt water will be a very good thing. Who else? Who else would like to go ahead?
How
Dipti
much
ji.
Epsom salt should we put?
So there are various kind of Epsom salts available. I use a typical Soul Tree Epsom salt. So what I do is put 2 cups of that Epsom salt in one small bucket. Try to keep the bucket as small so that you can soak food properly into it, and take heat for next 10 to 12 minutes. That really relieves you. It's a great relief. इनफैक्ट अभी तो बहुत प्रोडक्ट्स आ गए हैं टाइप ऑफ सॉल्ट टू हील योर दिस, बट दिस पर्टिकुलर सॉल्ट, एक तो इट सॉफ्टन योर स्किन आल्सो, and it also really rejuvenates the nervous system, which actually is a pain causing nervous system for your entire body. It's I'll share the link on Amazon which I'm using, so
Okay, that would be amazing.
yeah, I'll share the link of on.
Paragamma.
Oh, great.
Thank you. Thank you.
Who would
Paragamma.
like to go next? Dipti ji?
हमेशा से है ही,
हाँ.
अभी आदत हो गई है ऐसा लगता है. These remedies we are also doing. અને નરેશભાઈએ કીધું એવું જો ચપ્પલ માટે કઈક લિંક મોકલો એ મોકલે તો I will also try. Otherwise, now I have
સ્લીપર છે, દેખાય છે,
હા બાટા છે.
બાટાના છે. આના પર આ લોકોએ કંઈક સોલ નાખીને આપ્યો છે.
ઓકે, એટલે ક્યાં તમે ખાવ્યું એમ?
જે રોઝ કરીને છે HN હોસ્પિટલ પાસે. હવે બીજા પણ ઘણા કરે છે, મેં સાંભળ્યું છે. પણ આનું ઘણા વર્ષોથી છે. મહેશ also had a problem and he got cured also. He used for around 5-6 years. It's okay now.
કારણ અમારા બધાના ફ્લેટ ફૂટ છે એટલે એ તો પ્રોબ્લેમ છે. ફ્લેટ ફૂટ હોય એટલે બધાને
હા, that's why it is so. That's why.
એક જોઈએ તો એ માટે હવે તમે કેવું છો તો એ પ્રમાણે હું
Yeah, soul.
લઈશ.
સારા soul હોવું. You should have sleepers with a good soul.
Yes.
Dhanesh ji, would you like to go next?
Actually, does this work?
Yeah.
Which one?
Yes.
Yeah. This is also because it has a high content of magnesium. So this really helps. We also have Dr. Devangi over here.
Okay.
Dr. Devangi, would you like to comment?
Bob, will you put the
So,
point down?
first of all, yeah. So any kind of Epsom salt should be fine. It should have magnesium. If it has lavender oil also, that helps to you guys to sleep. So if this is done just before your sleep cycle improves. Also, Epsom salt is a good medium to cleanse your aura. So when you do that in the night and when you go off to sleep, your aura is also cleansed and you can get good sleep without getting nightmares. And any kind of Epsom salt should be okay. This hot cold thing really works, but hot water ma Epsom salt નાખીને 15 minutes dip કરાય તો feetના છે ને જે nerves હોય એ stimulate થાય, because in hands and feet we have got lot of nerve endings. So once that is stimulated, it helps in healing of wherever you have pain and anything. So it can be the pain can be mental or physical, but જે બી હશે તમને રાતના sleep improve કરશે Epsom salt ને. sleep improve થયું મતલબ definitely your cycle improves કે ભાઈ તમારું pain ઓછું થયું ને, then you can go on with your lifestyle. So it really helps. Yes.
Great. Thanks, Dr. Devangi. Thank you so much. Anybody else? Dhanesh ji, you would like to go next?
Okay, but my story is little different.
Yes.
The other day I was talking about my friend who is almost on the last stage of cancer, and he knows that it's almost a very few days that he is having it in this world. તો એને જે પેન થાય છે એટલે ડોક્ટર પણ કહે છે બધું કે પેન કિલર લઈ લો, આ કરો, ઇઝ ઓલવેઝ ઓન ધ ઇન્જેક્શન્સ એન્ડ એવરીથિંગ, બટ સ્ટીલ એને એવું એટીટ્યુડ અપનાવ્યું છે કે જેટલી મારી જિંદગી છે એટલું હું જીવીશ, બાકીના દિવસ હું મને દુઃખ છે કે મને પેન થાય છે એમ કરીને દુઃખી શું કામ થવું.
Correct, absolutely.
તો મેન્ટલી વી ઓલ્સો એટલે અમે બધા જ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ એવું જ નક્કી કર્યું કે બસ હવે એને હસતો જ રાખો.
Correct.
So we are doing that way only. So we meet almost every day. બધા કઈ ને કઈ આવે, બધા એકબીજાની વાતો કરે, because we know we are the friends is almost 70 years. તો 70 વર્ષની એટલી બધી સ્ટોરીઓ બધાની સ્ટોરીઓ છે અમારી પાસે. We have all the stories up to the school, college, social circle and everything, So we just try to share his pain. That's all. And we feel happy about it.
But that's a really good thing that you can grow old together, and everyone is there for each other at that particular point of time. So
His simple answer is that he's such a person. He always says કે ભાઈ જે દિવસે મારું સવારે he gets up in the 4 o'clock in the morning. So જે દિવસે એમ કે 4 વાગે મારું જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ ના આવે ત્યારે તમારે સમજી જવાનું કે I am not here. I am with the Sri Krishna. So that's what he I mean, he has accepted the life, pain, and all the circumstances in real nice manner. And I appreciate that.
here
He's
I
talking English very nicely.
I was reading autobiography of a yogi by Paramahansa Yogananji. He's one of the big saints of India. He's obviously no more, but it is very clearly said and evidenced in his book that once you leave this body, you will move to another body or another level of growth altogether. And this is like, that's what even I study in what do you call, I'm a philosophy student. So in philosophy also they tell us very clearly that we all have to attain moksha, all of us, at any, like, either this birth, next birth, or coming births, all of us will attain the position of what Buddha is right now. Only that's the way evolution will move on. So it's a very good thing, Daneshji, if your friend has picked up that point,
Yeah.
because it's his movement towards evolution. It's very beautiful. Great. So who do we have next? We have Baba. You would like to share a story?
I would request just one thing before.
Yeah, sure, Sanjay ji. Yeah.
Can you have this in English or Hindi, because other languages
Yeah,
becomes
yeah.
a little challenge.
No, we'll have it on English and Hindi only.
Yeah, otherwise it becomes a little challenge, you know.
तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना, 4 गुजराती मिलते हैं ना तो गुज्जू चालू हो जाता है, वो ना बहुत ही बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है गुजरातियों की.
थिंग इज आपकी गुजराती समझ में आती है, लेकिन एक दो शब्द ऐसे हो जाते हैं जो नहीं समझ में आते.
तो सही बात है.
वो और वो इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है.
I would tell you, Mr. Sanjay, that we all are the victim of that Panchma and Atma, you know. Formerly, when we were studying in the school and college, there was the movement going on, whether you should introduce your English in 5th standard or 8th standard, and all sort of things were going on. And because of that policy, our Hindi, Gujarati, English,
All
they
mixed.
are almost above every level.
Marathi also.
Oh, even Marathi also. Yes, exactly.
Because we have studied more Marathi also.
Yeah, we have studied more in Marathi and everything.
Ah.
So,
We
So
were
that's
having
how-
all known people, Maharashtrians only.
so that's why it's a mix. But that shows how it's a real India, no? Everybody is united now.
Yes.
United is something else, but understanding is something else also, right?
Yeah, I understand. Definitely understand. I was just joking. That was just casual talk we were having it.
Great. So we have Sunita ji here. We have sir, would you like to introduce yourself? No, just unmute yourself.
Yeah, I have. Good evening.
Hi, Sunita ji. Welcome. You would like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, surely. So I am a retired medical social worker from Tata Memorial Hospital.
Wow.
And I've put in 31 years in Tata Memorial Hospital. I've done my PhD from Tata Institute of Social Sciences. Currently, I'm a freelancer doing faculty training as a faculty trainer in the area of palliative care, which resonates with elderly care as well. And I do state training for doctors, nurses just now for the State Health Authority in collaboration with CIPLA and Prince Ali Khan. So I was interested into palliative care more because I put in a lot of time in palliative care and cancer care counseling. So this is how I am here with my passion for care.
Great. Welcome, Sunita ji. So, Sunita ji, you would have had tons of stories and how people are recovering with cancer and how they are managing it. So, if you would like to share one of your success cases with all of us here.
I think it's not about success always. But it's what I have learned and understood was listening to people. That is what is missing. So see, a lot of resources are there. I come from a resource-rich place like Tata Memorial, where we never had resource limitations because we had a lot good funders. So we could do good psychosocial support, and that is what Tata Memorial is known for. It's not alone cancer treatment, but as it's also known for good psychosocial support. And this psychosocial support does not come independently; it comes with the society. So we have a lot of donors, who help us around. So quick example of psychosocial support, if you want, I can share is before the year I retired in 2023. In 2022, we arranged a fully 1 year support of all the patients need to have diapers. So no patient in the general OPD needed to buy a diaper, whether it was in the ward or in the OPD. So we had donors who had supported this. This is a very positive story because, the expenses of diapers, dressing material is recurring for many, and this was a very good support. So we started a trend there, and all these diapers were then routed through the purchase department. So it were not given individually in everyone's hand. So we followed a system and process for that, for the disbursement of aid. Similarly, we created a good network of donors where we to explain, because donor education was equally important. Donors need to know about what the patient's needs are, how we are going to address, how much they will contribute. So it was a very good example of assessment, donor education, assessment, donor management, and reporting systems, because transparency was prime. So every rupee that they put in Tata Memorial Hospital had to be accounted for, and they could see from their home, so whom they had given money, how much money is in that patient's account, what is the balance, and if there is any need, they would revert back. So we had created all the systems I think, before I retired in 2023, so 2013 on. For a decade, we, set up a good psychosocial care support. Then support groups play a very important role in care. Because just now I was listening to the senior person here in the group talking about how he was communicating with children. So these support groups are very important because that is the place where one can unburden, oneself and know that there are many like me. I'm not alone.
Correct. It's
So many a time your pain is like your pain, and you don't, when you listen to somebody else's story, you realize, oh, my pain is hardly a point where what the other person is going through.
Correct.
So numerous stories, of patient care. If I will do it over a period of time as and how, time passes on, but I want the others also to speak. But yes, I will, if there is anybody who needs counseling or, just needs to talk. Sometimes, you don't really need an answer. Merely you want to share, and many a times we are so close and we don't want to share with somebody whom we know, or we don't want the people to know our life. So you can completely share with somebody who is the third person, non-judgmental, indifferent, would only listen to the person who wants to say, because it's so important. Many a times I also feel, I should be talking to somebody.
Correct.
And it's our friends, of course, we have friends group and all, we talk, and then we listen. There is no answer. Many a times we do not have pav bhaji recipes. ये मसाला डाल के ये tasty हो जाएगा, ये डालेंगे. No, life problems are on the way. They'll come. You learn, and enhance your skills on the way. It's like on the job training. So life is like, has to be lived forward, and then you enjoy. So I think these are little things which are very important. So anybody who feels he wants to share something, wants to talk, or I'm always there. Or of course, any specific counseling in the area of health or psychosocial care, I will always be available. Just message me. My number is here on the group probably. And
Sure,
you can always message me.
I'll take a note. I'll make a short note for everybody for the benefit of everyone, and I will pass it on so that people can connect with you and take it forward. Definitely, we do that. Sure,
I
great.
stay in Thane, so anybody who's in Thane on this group can connect with me. So I stay in Louiswadi, Thane.
All right, great, Suchai. Thank you so much for your insight. Very helpful.
Thank you
so much.
Yeah.
So we have sir, you can say your name, and I think you and Smita ji went in together.
I'm Pawan Kumar from Chennai.
welcome, Pawan Kumar ji. If you can.
66 age my, and already I retired from my business life long back, enjoying with my grandchildren and loving reading the books. And just now I completed MA Genealogy, and next my target is to study MA Psychology.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful. It's amazing that you're pursuing education at this age. That's fantastic to hear.
Yep.
Great, great. You would like to share any story with us, and whereby we can learn from you?
No, at present I'm not prepared for that.
Sure, no worries.
We will try in next meetings or next speeches. Okay.
Most welcome, sir. Absolutely most welcome. So we have anyone going next? Devangi, Sunilji, any story learning for all of us?
So should I say something now?
Yeah, sure. Please move on.
So
Devangi.
as a physio, I have been day in and day out since past 20 years. I've been just dealing with pain. So yes, as rightly जब पहले बताया कि pain can be physical and mental as in psychological. It is a physical pain तो हो ही रहा है, सबको दिख रहा है कि भाई इनको प्रॉब्लम है. मेंटल पेन जो है वो सबको नहीं दिखता.
पेन दिखता नहीं है. नहीं पेन भी फिजिकल एज वेल एज मेंटल बोथ कैन नॉट बी सीन.
नो फिजिकल नो स्वेलिंग हो गया, पेन हो गया, लोग लंगड़ा रहे
दिखता है,
तो समझ में आता है. हाँ, किसी को समझ में आता है कि इनको पेन होगा. मेंटल पेन इज समथिंग विच किसी को जल्दी समझ में नहीं आता, कोई अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर सकता. इसीलिए ये ग्रुप एंड ग्रुप चैट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जहाँ पे आप अपना चीज शेयर करो. जैसे पहले एक जन ने कहा कि जो कैंसर से उनको कैंसर है एंड ही हैज अ वेरी पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट टुवर्ड्स हिज लाइफ. सो दैट इज वन थिंग फॉर पेन इज अ मस्ट कि आपको अगर पॉजिटिव फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड में नहीं रहोगे तो आप कितना भी कुछ कर लो, आप एक्सरसाइज कर लो, आप पेन मेडिकेशन ले लो, आप कुछ भी ले लो, आप उससे रिकवर जितना हो सकते हो उतना नहीं होंगे. सो दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट कि हाँ, तो पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट रखना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. जो भी हो, आपको मेडिकल कंडीशन हो, साइकोलॉजिकल सिचुएशन हो, तो ये चीज बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. विथ मी पेन हैज बीन देयर हैज बीन इंसिडेंसेस वेयर ग्रोइंग अप विथ माय एट वर्क. सबको कुछ ना कुछ हर एक लेवल पे कोई ना कोई इश्यूज होते हैं, कुछ होता है जहाँ पे यू एक्सपीरियंस अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ पेन. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड टू लर्न एंड come together to solve it. So इसके solutions जैसे next time जब भी topic लिया जाएगा like sleep management है, so उस पे जब बात करेंगे that also we can improve on sleep better होता है तो pain better होता है. And obviously exercise and lifestyle changes like a good balanced diet is very important for pain management. So ये सब चीजें अगर ध्यान रखें तो pain can be easily managed. So from my experience I would say that.
Great. Thank you so much, Dr. Devangi. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great. So, बाबा आप तो आर्मी में बहुत सारी स्टोरी होगी आपके पास.
आर्मी यही मैं I'll just continue with the same topic with her. It is true that pain can be managed, but a good manager has to be there.
Yes.
अभी ऐसा एक छोटा बच्चा है, वो गिरता है और वो रोने लगता है, चोट लगती है उसकी, और सडनली सपोज माँ आती है और कहती है अरे देख तू कितना बहादुर है, तूने वो जो जहाँ गिरा था वो पत्थर ही टूट गया. तो बच्चे का माइंड डाइवर्ट होता है, ये समझता है आई एम सो बहादुर. Diverting the mind from his present problem makes a big difference.
Yes,
ये बच्चे के साथ नहीं, ये बड़ों के साथ.
For everybody.
I would say that distraction normally doesn't not always help, but yes, it is helpful with the other things that needs to be taken into account.
अभी हाँ, तो मैं यही कह रहा था, ऐसे जैसे इवन बड़ों में ऐसा है कि यू आर रियली फीलिंग पेन, फिजिकल पेन है, बट ये थोड़ी कि ऑल द टाइम इज क्राइंग ऑफ दैट पेन. सडनली खाना खाने का आएगा, मिर्च ज्यादा लगे तो मिर्ची ज्यादा लग गई तो पेन भूल गया. क्योंकि पुराने जमाने में इलाज होता था.
आई थिंक
किसी के सर दर्द हो रहा है तो उसके हाथ पकड़ के मोड़ना शुरू करो. इतना मोड़ना शुरू करो कि सर दर्द ज्यादा हाथ में पेन हो जाए तो उसका सर दर्द खत्म हो जाएगा. This was one of the, I mean, I am talking of some 100 years or 50 or 60 years back. ऐसा भी डॉक्टर, यू मे बी नोइंग दिस, ये आपकी हिस्ट्री में पढ़ाया जाता है. तो मैंने क्रिएट ए सिचुएशन दैट द मैन फॉरगेट द प्रेजेंट. जो उसका जिसको झेल रहा है उसको डाइवर्ट करके वी कैन डू इट. दिस इज फिजिकल एज वेल एज फॉर मेंटल पेन. मेंटल के लिए ज्यादा ही है, फॉर द सिंपल रीजन कि मेंटल जो है वो यू क्रिएट इट मोर देन व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंस.
Correct.
You will find the same problem may affect a person to some extent, another person to a great extent. Why? His mental condition, mental attitude is different than the other person. तो ये होता है. तो that is why all the theories have been, I mean, made on that कि भाई first thing is that find the personality of the person. अब ये डॉक्टर्स का रिसर्च होती है, इनको पता होगा ज्यादा कि व्हाट इज दिस, आई मीन मेंटल एटीट्यूड ऑफ ए पर्सन. अब जैसे धनेश भाई ने अभी बहुत जोरदार बात कही, इनके फ्रेंड है, ही इज रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट इट. हमारे शास्त्रों में ये कहता है कि वेन एवर एनी सिचुएशन कम्स टू यू, इफ यू स्टार्ट फाइटिंग इट यू विल बी इन प्रॉब्लम.
Correct.
If you start accepting and finding your duty in that situation, you will be a creative person. Same way for pain also. Suppose the pain has come, तो क्या करना है? हाथ में हाथ छोड़ के गिर जाने का बिस्तर में या रोना शुरू कर देने का है? No. You find out the better way of doing it. Your good friends or a doctor, a सलाहकार, a counselor can help you out in that. और इसी में जो है उनका फर्स्ट हथियार होता है कि डाइवर्ट फ्रॉम हिज प्रेजेंट पोजीशन ऑफ पेन. और दैट डाइवर्सन किस एक्सटेंट तक जाता है, दैट्स गुड थिंग. देन दे हेल्प यू विथ सर्टेन मेडिसिन ऑल्सो. देयर आर मेडिसिन अवेलेबल जो पेन भी किल करते हैं, समटाइम मेंटल डाइवर्सन में हेल्प करते हैं. आपका जो एजिटेटेड माइंड होता है उसको शांत करते हैं. देयर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द थिंग्स. तो ये जो है एक्सपर्ट्स होते हैं, ये इनका नाम क्या है जो अभी जो है वो हैड बीन
डॉक्टर देवांगी.
देवांगी जी, शी मस्ट बी नोइंग इट कि पेन मैनेजमेंट इज ए बिग, आई मीन दिस सब्जेक्ट इटसेल्फ इन मेडिकल दीज डेज. देयर आर एक्सपर्ट्स ऑन दैट.
So as Baba rightly said, I also read a very like the way our Gita also says it is like pain is the only way God is teaching you to change your mode of action. So if you feel that you are under severe pain, you have to actually figure out what is that pain trying to indicate you. Like what happened, I told you guys that when I was in severe pain, completely crippled, Chai Pe Charcha just happened. The moment it got diverted, I automatically, obviously I'm still under steroids and stuff, but things got moving. I started playing again. I play pickleball regularly. I do my yoga regularly. So pain is one way of trying to tell you that what should be your next course of action. And we should focus on finding a new purpose rather than just focusing on pain. Otherwise the pain will continue. So that is very well said, Baba. That is so true.
So एक पेशेंट ने मुझे कहा था कि पेन इज अ गुड वे ऑफ रीमॉडलिंग योर लाइफ. So the God wants to remodel your life in a way that you can manage it better.
Sanjay ji also started playing over here, right?
Correct. हमको इंट्रोडक्शन में ये दिया गया था. स्टेरॉइड सब पहले जब आए थे तो पीपल स्टार्ट यूजिंग स्टेरॉइड्स इन सच ए वे कि जिसको कहते हैं मिसयूज more than the use. The very first instruction or precaution is given that do not use steroids until and unless you know the exact cause of the problem.
Correct.
और हम करते क्या, we start this. तो ऐसी वही सेम थिंग गोज, आपका पेन क्यों है, द पर्सन शुड फाइंड आउट एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज द रूट कॉज ऑफ द पेन. Once you know the root cause, then you know the way exactly how to deal with it. अब जैसे कि मैं वेटनरी डॉक्टर हूँ, हमको तो कोई जानवर नहीं बताता कि मेरे यहाँ पे दर्द हो रहा है. आई हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट माई सेल्फ कि कहाँ दर्द हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है. यहाँ तक कि जब जानवर लचकता है चलते हुए, तो आप लोग तो नहीं बता पाएंगे एग्जैक्टली कौन से पाँव में दर्द है. कंफ्यूजिंग होता है. वी हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट आवरसेल्फ ऑन ऑब्जर्वेशन. तो आप लोग तो अगर ये आदमियों के जो डॉक्टर हैं उनको तो काफ़ी सुविधा होती है. पेशेंट कैन टेल देम कि यहाँ पे दर्द हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, ये हो गया था. माई एनिमल डजंट टेल मी ऑल दोज थिंग्स. आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट माई सेल्फ. तो ऐसे ही जब कोई बच्चा आएगा या एग्जिग्रेट करने वाला या कम बताने वाला आएगा, तो आई एम ए बेटर डॉक्टर फॉर दैट दैन ह्यूमन डॉक्टर. मैं ऐसा समझता हूँ. व्हाट डू यू से?
ग्रेट. आई थिंक हम लोगों ने फिजिकल पेन के बारे में तो बहुत बात की. एनीबडी वुड लाइक टू से एनी मेंटल पेन? जैसे सुनीता जी स्पोक अबाउट द सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप व्हिच शी runs around. Anybody would like to say of a situation how they overcome the mental issue that there'll be a lot of issues in terms of mentally also. Anything that anyone can share to suggest? Anybody?
Okay, so I would like to say something. For example, when my father passed away, so I was completely daddy's girl. So when he passed away, I couldn't manage the loss. So then I had to work with a psychotherapist. Okay, she made me go through, even being from the medical field, I needed help because it is very important to recognize that you need help. And once you know that you need help, then you know where to find it. So the psychotherapist then went through the stages of grief, then told me why, what is happening, when it will happen. They gave me exercises to manage it. And after 2 years, I feel that now I can manage it better. So mental pain का क्या है ना, एक तो first of all in India, a lot of times, I would say more than 90% of times, people ignore that they have some mental pain.
99% probably, yeah.
हाँ, 99. एंड एक बार वो एक लेयर बैरियर क्रॉस होता है, देन दे सीक हेल्प. सो दैट इज व्हाई ह्यूमन कनेक्शंस एंड ह्यूमन परसेप्शंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल, आपके दोस्त, किसी के दोस्त ने सुसाइड कर लिया, लेकिन दूसरे दोस्त को पता ही नहीं है कि उसको प्रॉब्लम क्या था. सो दैट्स व्हाई रिकनेक्टिंग विथ योर फैमिली, रिकनेक्टिंग विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, टॉकिंग इट आउट, जो पहले बोला कि बात करना, एक ग्रुप मैनेजमेंट होता है, तो विच इज वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ मेंटल पेन. एंड ऑब्वियसली गेटिंग अ राइट ट्रीटमेंट और गेटिंग ऑन द राइट पाथ. तो उसके बाद साइकोथेरेपिस्ट के साथ वर्क करने के बाद देन आई डिड मेडिटेशन कैंप्स. मैंने श्री श्री रविशंकर के मेडिटेशन कैंप्स करे, ब्रह्म कुमारी के मेडिटेशन कैंप करे. नाउ आई नो व्हाट वर्क्स फॉर मी. Then also, when you have anxiety, breath work really helps. Like calming your breath is the most important activity of your body. So एक बार आप अच्छा breath work करने लगो, so then it is very helpful to manage your mental pain, basically. And then you can think ahead, basically.
For people like me.
Mrs. Makija, you also going through a lot of pain. If you would like to say something.
That was a knee problem.
How you been recouping with it?
एक्चुअली सच्ची बोलूं, मैं तो ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया था. मैं बोलती ठीक है, घुटनों में दर्द है, ओके चल जाता है, ठीक है, थोड़ा कभी बाम लगा लिया, कुछ कर दिया. बट नाउ एंड फ्रैंकली इट्स बीन 1.5 year मैंने सीरियसली लेना शुरू किया है. और अभी मेरे को बेटे की बहुत डांट मिल रही है. तो अभी सीरियसली मैं एक्सरसाइज कर रही हूँ, फिजियोथेरेपी जो मैंने गई थी वो सब कर रही हूँ, बट माइंडसेट चेंज नहीं होता है. बीइंग अ हाउसवाइफ, आई हैव बीन लाइक, वी हैव बीन मैरिड फॉर 30 years. तो मुझे स्विमिंग आती है, कर्टेसी माय हस्बैंड ओनली. जबरदस्ती सब में ढूंढ दिया था, तो दैट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल. बट आई डोंट, बट लिसनिंग to your this, I think we have come here for the first time. मुझे लगता है कि काफी मुझे अपना माइंडसेट चेंज करना है. Nobody else can help me.
Nobody can help you. Yeah.
अगर मैं खुद को नहीं चेंज करूंगी, वो बोलती हूँ मैं, लेकिन माइंडसेट चेंज नहीं होता है. घर में बैठी हूँ ना, सुखी हूँ.
So
So,
that
मकीजा, एक क्वेश्चन, नी पेन में आपको स्विमिमिंग हेल्प कर रहा है? एज इन
बहुत बहुत. जिस दिन मैं जाती हूँ ना, मैं मतलब जिस दिन मैं जाती हूँ, मुझे बहुत रिलैक्सिंग फील होता है मेरे घुटनों में.
ओके.
तो मैं
That's a very
बैक पेन
स्विमिंग ज्यादा नहीं करती.
और बैक
It's
पेन
water,
ऑल्सो
it's a
स्विमिंग है.
water exercise like cycling in water. वो सब helps more.
Okay. You were saying something, Naresh ji. हाँ.
Swimming helps for back pain also. If there is a back pain, swimming is done, it helps.
Swimming helps for any pain of
Back.
body.
Acha,
yes,
but
it
I
pains
was
in
told
back.
by one person who was having back pain, he is getting relief out of swimming.
Swimming
Yeah,
helps
so
helps head to toe. Everything, all pain can be managed by swimming.
आपका फुल बॉडी मूवमेंट होती है. इवन आपका सर से लेके लास्ट फीट, मतलब उंगलियों तक.
Apparently, Mrs. Dr. Devangi also suggested me about the water and connection of our body to water. That 70%, ये तो अपन ने भी पढ़ा है कि 70% of our body is water. So the water content in our body, once you are in the water, really helps you heal better. So that was told to me by Dr. Devangi herself. So I think
that's good. And swimming may actually you should only do elderlies, should only do freestyle swimming, not the breaststroke swimming, because it damages the knee more than helping it. So आपको सिर्फ freestyle swimming करना है.
मुझे नहीं आती वो, मुझे ब्रेस्टस्ट्रोक ही आता है.
तो breaststroke actually there is research on it कि breaststroke swimming knee को और hip को ज्यादा damage करते हैं. So you should learn freestyle swimming.
कोशिश करूंगी.
Please, because क्या होता है कि if you have learned with your husband, then अगर आपको
proper coaching,
हाँ, तो वो आपका स्टाइल चेंज करा दे सकता है, इजीली हो जाएगा. तो आप प्लीज वो कोचिंग चेंज करिए, क्योंकि इट विल हेल्प यू बेटर, बिकॉज आपका पेल्विक स्ट्रेंथ आएगा, आपके बटक में ज्यादा स्ट्रेंथ आएगा विथ फ्री स्टाइल. So that is better for your knees. Even if you go for a knee replacement, it will help you recover faster. Because after your knee replacement, even if you have to go through it, you will not be able to do breaststroke swimming. आप सिर्फ freestyle कर पाओगे.
राइट. क्योंकि उसमें ब्रेस्टस्ट्रोक में नीज का तो होता ही है.
Yes.
Great to hear. Anybody else would like to share their story? Dhanesh ji, any news story? Sunita ji, any news story? Sunita ji, one story would really help.
Yeah, tell me.
एक स्टोरी जिसने एक्चुअली किसी पेशेंट को रिकवर, बिकॉज कैंसर इज अ वेरी, I think it's the most difficult ailment either of us can suffer. So if you can say a mental health and someone who's like, we've had success stories about ये अपनी हीरोइन कौन थी कैंसर में जो the very beautiful one,
मनीषा कोइराला थी.
मनीषा कोइराला,
सोनाली बेंद्रे.
any story which was very close to your heart and something if you can tell us for everybody.
Many. I would
One
use
of them would be lovely.
Yeah. So no, I am going to share something that where communication with the caregiver, and that too, a caregiver who's in an adolescent. So let me share that story. It's a touching story, but lots to learn. So I had a patient who had breast cancer. She's no more now, and her husband had blood cancer.
Okay.
Her breast cancer was diagnosed during his treatment journey, which she ignored. And she was staying in Kalyan, and her brothers and mother and bhabhi and her sister, they all were staying somewhere around Jalgaon. And she used to come for her husband's treatment, and he took his treatment, I think, in Tata Memorial as well as KEM. And when her breast cancer, when she got to know that she was having something in her breast, she ignored. And when he passed away, she then, focused on herself. And then she made a file, and then her breast cancer was diagnosed. Now, in this journey, what happened was she was very overprotective about her two daughters. The eldest one was around, I think she was in the 9th standard, and the younger was in the 4th standard. And these two girls would come with the mother. And they used to come to the social service department for psychosocial care and more material needs as well. So it was medicine concession, Then we also used to give ration, used to give clothes, whatever they needed, based on their needs. So I used to give her ration, and we have a support group in Tata Member, an NGO, Mesh Foundation karke. So this Mesh Foundation gives money of up to ₹1 lakh every month. And on first Saturday of that month, they would invite all the people who had used the money, for treatment. So it would be 10,000, 5,000, 15,000 based on their need. And so this group would meet, and she used to come regularly for that group. It was all going on, and then slowly she got to know that her breast cancer she had meds. And then that was a warning time, Then I spoke to her and I asked her whether did she tell her daughters? Do these daughters know that you have a cancer, which is now is in a danger zone? And she said, yes, I will tell them, not now. And she kept postponing till such time that one evening she was critical. And it was around 9 o'clock at night, 9:30. Her elder daughter called me and she said, Madam, Mama is at unrest. And I had put them into Nana Palkar, which was a place very close to Tata Memorial Hospital. They were staying there. So I shifted her. I told her, take somebody's help. Tell in the office that you need to go to TMH casualty. And that time she was on palliative care treatment. So her palliative care treatment was on symptomatic care. So I said, go, and a few of the other patients' caregivers sort of, help them. And they reached the hospital. It was by the time they reached, it was like 10 o'clock or so. Now, constantly from 9 then on, they were all in touch with me. And these two girls and the mother. Now, they reached. And then around 11 o'clock or so, she called me up and she said, Madam, do you know, look what this doctor is saying. So I said, what happened? So she said, no, this doctor is talking something very nonsense. So I said, but what is that nonsense? Let me know. She didn't want to use that word, death, or, mother is critical, because she feared using that word. I said, but tell me more clearly. I said, I'm not getting, because I was understanding, but I wanted her to clarify her emotion, because that is where I would start the conversation from. So I kept telling her, I said, tell me properly. I said, you're not telling me the right things. Then she said, no, madam, the doctor is saying that my mother has less time. I said, what does that mean? She said, mother is not going to be, but I can't take this. And death, mrityu, maran, she didn't want to say that word. She said, no, I can't talk about that word. So I said, what is that word? Then she says death. So I said, okay. So what is it that is bothering you? I said, and there was nobody with them at this point in time. And the palliative care doctor, then I spoke to him. I gave him a background. I said, see, these two girls have been the mother's caregivers all through, and the father also has passed away of cancer. So, and they are unaware of the mother's palliative care phase. And probably the elder daughter may be, but it's very difficult for her to accept this. So the doctor also understood what I think. By then, the doctor had already let the cat out of the bag, because he'd already told her that, she has an advanced phase of her disease and that she has less time with her. And then the following morning, till 2 o'clock, this whole conversation went up to 2 o'clock. Then her brother he came, there was a cousin brother from Mira Road who came, and then there was an adult caregiver with the family. Then I told her, I said, tomorrow morning when I come to office, come and see me. And till then, and then one more donor also had reached by then. So there were people around to help them. Following morning when I reached, I called this girl down to my office and I asked her, I said, tell me now, what was it? Then she said, I said, did your mom share anything? She said, no, she never told us anything. But I said, you must have got a clue. Then she nodded and she said, yes, slightly, but I never thought the time would come so early. Because they were not mentally prepared. And the mother also had not prepared them. And this was like almost end of COVID times. Where, so we had arranged an ambulance somehow, because we had to shift. Then her brother came. The whole family. This took 2-3 days now in this journey. She was admitted in the ward. She was breathless. She was on oxygen. And then finally we had to send, because if in a crisis situation, the family had to go back. And then we send her off. We arranged an ambulance. We gave them little money, cash in hand. Today, those two girls, the elder one is graduate. The younger one has passed her 10th or 12th standard, and they are doing good. From the time that we shifted
That's
them,
good.
they are still in a hostel. And
Okay.
throughout COVID, it was very sad to know, when all children were back to families, these two girls were staying with the caretaker of the hostel. And there were donors who were supporting
Right.
this. The mother passed away in this journey, and she passed away very peacefully in a hospital. But these girls are
That's
doing
good.
really, really good, and only because there was a lot of support from the organization, from the hospital and the relatives. And the hospital was also very good.
Mhm.
It was at a discount. They also did a lot of things for these girls, and they grew up without the mother. But I'm very proud to say, that the elder daughter has followed the mother's path, taking care of her younger sister, and doing good in their life, and they're very happy today.
Thank you.
Whatever this journey was, you can see how communication is important within the family. At times when children are small, age appropriate care also matters, whether it's geriatric care, whether it's young adolescent care, or it's an adult care. It's so important that how we initiate this communication, how do we inform children. It was a big lesson. We lost the patient, but we're very happy that the two children are doing good in life today, and I'm still in touch with them. Some 6 months, once in 6 months or 3 months, she calls me up to check whether how I am, and that's really touching. Instead of me asking, they'll always say, "Madam, aap kaise hai?" That's
This is
really
really
nice.
beautiful. Yeah, this is really beautiful, Sunita ji. In fact, Sunita ji, this is really helpful for audience also, even in the group, whereby we can share what is important is psychology begins from here. The body. So great. I think we had a wonderful session today. All
Ma'am,
of us
I would
discussing. We already
say
time up
something.
6.
Mansi, I would
Devangi
like
ji,
to say something.
sorry, it's 6 and
2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Yeah,
The thing is, when you are a caregiver, no, ma'am, Sunita ma'am will really appreciate, because when anybody is a caregiver for cancer patient, they should have a salt water bath in the end of the day, so that their aura is clean and doesn't take the negative energies from the ill patient. And second thing, yes, as she mentioned, that communication is important. So that is really, really important. Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much, Dr. Devangi. So this brings us to an end of this session. Next week we're going to talk about sleep, and we're going to have Vandana ji and Nikita from Sanj AI, who are going to come and communicate with all of us from the point how sleep is important, and how, in case if we have issues with sleeping, how we can use meditation and
There is a network issue, I think.
really want everyone to pass on the message in their groups also, because we're going to have sleep coming weeks. So thank you everybody for the wonderful time today. Let's
Hari.
continue next week. Thank you. Bye bye. Hari Om.
Thank you.
Hari Om. Hari Om.
Thank
Hari Om.
you. Hari Om.